Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial is for you to know how to go to your activities in our subject. So first you're going to enter in our class, which is the English. So you click on that one, and once you're inside our class, you can see there the stream tab. So inside the stream tab are the announcements and the links that I will put on for you to meet, no, for us to meet in Google Meet. So, ako ra naibutang diha sa stream tab. So, pagatan-awa gyud ninyo before our class. So, under classwork, this you here in this tab you can find all your activities for you to work on. Okay, so there are only topics here, the modules and the practice exercise, but in the long run it will be added with another or a lot of topics, for the whole school year, but it will be not as one, but from time to time. Okay, so for this purpose, for this video tutorial, so that you would have an idea on how to do this exercise, especially the writing exercise, is first you're going to click this one, writing exercise. Okay, so view assignment, and then as you can see there in the screen, it says there writing exercise. In this exercise, you're going to write using the English language by using the attached file. Now use simple English words in doing this exercise and access the file so you can get started. So have fun, my dear pupils. So the file here is beside in this part in your screen. It's in the right side in your screen, and this is the template or the file that you are going to work on. Okay, so let us click on that. Now once you click on it, it will direct you to another tab, no? So you open siya og laing window. So for this one, what you're going to do is you just, if it says type your name here, then you click. Okay, so as you can see there in the screen now, so you type your name. For example, if this is my file, I will say okay. And next is you're going to put your picture. For example, if I'm going to click this one, it will ask me to upload from a computer. If you already have a picture of yourself inside your computer or your laptop, this is the link that you're going to use, upload from computer. But if you don't have a picture, you can use camera. Okay, so that you can take a picture of yourself. For example, I am taking a picture of myself here. Okay, so click, then replace. So there is my picture. Next is you're going to write something about yourself. Okay, for example, I would write, I love reading books. I like watching anime, movies, or series. There are lots of things, just a few words, just a few sentences that it talks all about you. Okay, so once you're done writing something about yourself, you just simply close this one because it will be automatically saved. So mo auto save ra ni siya. Basta once you are using a laptop or computer. So you just close on this one. Okay, close it. And then once you are done, you just click turn in so that it can be submitted to your teacher or it can be submitted to me, So you click turn in. And then one attachment will be submitted, turn in. And that is how you're going to do your activity. Okay?